Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Rain, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Branch around 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Church Point and Richard around 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Now I want to know, is WDFA TV on the air? No. Nice.